welcome to my first ever fashion haul. Did you like that? I bet you did. Even though it's mainly just stuff from my wardrobe, I'm not going out and bought anything. Well, I bought a few things. Hello my Blancettes, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. You are so welcome to my lovely bedroom. I've even lit some candles for you. Hope you enjoy that. These times keep getting wilder. Like, on one hand we're like, goodbye Trump, and the other side we're like, hello Corona, my friend. You've come to stay with us again. You feel like you're not going anywhere. Now you're sitting down on my chair. Please leave, let's calm down. Getting emotional with my little song there. How are we? Are you okay? Let me know down in the comments, how are you doing? If you're new here, hello, my name is Sarah. You're very welcome. Come on in, settle down, babes. Settle down. If you'd like to press the subscribe button right now, let's do it together. Let's go. And nice, that felt good, right? But that felt very good. But not very good. Nice, see, warming up. Yes. But I was thinking about lots of us performers are going to be going back into the studio hopefully soon. I myself have already done a week and a bit in the studio. It was supposed to be longer but short because corona. Anyway, it's just all it's all a thing. That's all coming in a whole other vlog. When we're in the studio, we like to feel like our baddest bitch. Do you know what I mean? At least I do, because I'm a bit of a vain. So I thought, why not do a little bit of a studio fashion haul where I give some suggestions of things you can wear to make yourself feel like your best person in the studio. Just popping in here to say that this is not just for those going to the studio. This is quite a good little haul for if you want some relaxed clothes for at home. Sorry to be very exclusive there. It's not like me. It's not like me. Alright, bye. So I'm going to give you whole rundown of I think it's like 6 or 7 outfits. I think it's 6 outfits for you, and I hope you like them. So outfit number 1, I'm staying. This is it. It's my favourite item I've bought. I bought it in lockdown 1 from Shop Floor Horror. You can still get it. Everything I'm mentioning you can still get, just so you know. Now I've not worn this when I've been pure out dancing. I've worn it more if I'm choreographing or if I'm like outside eyeing. But it's super warm, super comfy for the studio. I think maybe if I was to wear it dancing, I'd probably put some cotton leggings underneath so I could probably breathe a little bit more, because I think if you start to sweat in this, it may not be that nice because it's obviously synthetic materials. But super comfy, super warm. To keep myself warm, underneath I've got this black polo neck from ASOS. So cheap, and I actually bought 2 of them so I could wear them each day. Also in the studio at the moment I'm wearing leotards again. You may think you were at the back of your leotards, but honestly they kept, I think just keeping this whole area warm in this weather is the best thing. So I would have been wearing leotard, a thin layer like this, t-shirt, another layer, and jumper. I was layering up. So anyway, this you'll see this in with a lot of the other outfits. Anyway, so next outfit. So the next outfit is this. I've already put this on my Instagram. I am in love with these trousers. Honestly, I love them. They're from a brand called Food London, F-U-U-D, Food. Yeah, Food London. They're made from sustainable materials and just good for the earth. They were pretty pricey, but I saw her on Instagram. I was like, oh my god, I need some of them. She's got all the different colours, all the different patterns, and you can actually design up all the different panels that you want. This shirt was in a sale from Lazy Oaf, and again, nice thin layer over dancing. I like to have kind of like baggy things as I'm dancing makes me feel good. So this is outfit number 2. I hope you like it. Alright, next outfit. It is this. Okay, so this jumper is what I've been looking for all my life, and I'll never be any happier ever again. This is from ASOS, and it is the perfect jumper. It's got air, it's baggy, makes you feel cool and hot and great. You can't wear things twice in a row. You've got to wear different stuff in the studio every day, so you don't bring anything in from the outside. So I bought 2 because I was away for 2 weeks, so she's great. And then you can't go wrong with your old Adidas trackies. These are the women's ones. There's a type which I don't really like, but I think they are good. They're close, they're comfortable. You can like, oh, did you just hear that? Was that my knee or was that stitching? That was my knee. I hate getting older. Anyway, here she is. In the studio now, we have to wear masks. So these masks are from Made by Mo, and they are so comfortable in the studio. I would highly recommend them. Highly, highly, highly recommend them. But anyway, here we go to outfit number 3. Yeah! Oh. I'm gonna do that again. Yeah! Grey joggers, you can't go wrong. These are quite a few years old, so I will try and find ones that are like this. And then this top, again from ASOS. Look, okay, lockdown, I just got, you know, the fuck it button got pressed way too many times, but I also had to get extra layers, as I keep saying, as we were going away, and I had to wear different clothes each day, and I realised I didn't have enough kind of like thin kind of jumpers to wear in the studio. Okay, so this is nice and thin, really warm, a really nice fit, and I like it, use a bit of air going. It's from their weekend collective. Like, it's just snug, warm, feels good, and also thick socks. They're like a must-have for me. Always got thick socks on in the studio, you know. Here's another mask from the old Made by Mo. Anyway, let's go on to the next outfit. Let's go into this one. Look, some really old, new look black joggers. I mean, it's lockdown fashion. This is, I'll put a little picture of me maybe here. This is a long sleeve t-shirt. Really recommend getting these from her, from independent designer called Hayley Scanlon, based in Dundee. These, you can get them, she always has them on sale for like £25. And £25 for a long sleeve t-shirt may seem like quite a lot, but again, made from sustainable materials, and also breathe really nicely and wash so well. The quality has not gone down. I've had this for quite a few months now, and it's not gone down at all in quality. But she has all different colours. I know at the moment she's got a coral one that's down sale for £25. Anyway, really highly recommend. I've got another one that I'll put on in a second, and this jumper, which is from Lucy and Jack. I love it, so vibrant. It has like that kind of it's just retro feel. I've had it for quite a few months, but still, I don't know, like I don't think I've washed it enough times for it to have gotten this dull. When I first got it, it was so much brighter. Again, sustainable materials. I bought it for going back into the studio when I was dreaming of being back in the studio way back in like in the summer. I bought it. Really easy to breathe in, nice and warm. Again, I like to have something here, so if it gets too hot around the neck I can just tuck that down. But she's cool. And trusty white socks, these pack of Alessi socks, really good. Anyway, this is another outfit. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Woo! Here she is in some leggings. Oh god, leggings. Stretchy. Obviously in the studio now I would be wearing a gilet or a jumper over this. And I actually quite like the black jumper over it because then the pink kind of comes out. It's quite nice, you know. But this is also from Lucy and Yak. I bought it at the same time as I bought the sweatshirt. It's faded a bit, but not too much. The print at the back has not gone off. It was designed by Wednesday Holmes, an artist called Wednesday Holmes. And also all the proceeds, not proceeds, but all of the 100% of the sales are split between LGBTQIA plus charities, which I think is great. So I love it. These leggings are from Marks and Spencer's. I bought them because I started running again, and yeah, but so comfy, and you know, when you want to get the leg up, she can get up, you know. Anyway, this is this one, and let's go into the next one. Into this next outfit. She means business. 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 Yeah, she does. This, I couldn't help it. It was in a sale on Adidas on Boxing Day. Well, St. Stephen's Day in Ireland, Boxing Day in the UK. And my sister made me buy it with my Christmas money. So thank you, Mum, for Christmas money. And thank you, Adidas. Now, I could see myself wearing this in the studio, but maybe in a few months. I feel like for now, it could be my like going to the studio get-up. Do you know what I mean? Because at the moment you're not allowed to wear what you got to change once you get to the studio for COVID safety guidelines. So it might be one of those. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god, with this. Another Made by Mole mask. Look. Oh, she looks so good. Yeah, highly recommend it. Anyway, let's go on to the next one. Not sure if that transition worked at all, but anyway, here we go. This is the last outfit. I'm wearing another one of the Hayley Scanlon long sleeve t-shirts. This one was not in the sale, but I know that buying it, I'll be able to wear it and wear it and wear it, and it's not going to go down in quality. And these Uniqlo trackies I've had for years, and oh, Uniqlo stuff. So good for the studio. Stretchy, stretchy. Wow. Also been a staple for like lockdown. And then I've been wearing this long sleeve polo neck Reebok one. Another Made by Mole mask, you know. Yeah. Really highly recommend these masks. Now, there you go. There are all my outfits, I think. I hope that was interesting. That was nice to, you know, try on clothes. Always wanted to do a bit of a haul, you know, a haul. I will link everything down below. I think everything I showed you can still get, bar a few of the tracksuit bottoms, which I think I've had for quite a few years, but I'm sure there's variations of them online. I'm using this deodorant that I got sold on Instagram called Nude. I'll insert a picture of it here. N-U-U-D or N-U-D, and it's, you're supposed to put it on, it's supposed to last for a few weeks, and I like it because instead of using normal deodorant, and actually I feel like less, I used to feel like I get a bit clogged, and this I don't feel clogged. However, when I tell people that I'm using this deodorant, they're like, oh god, what's that doing to you if it lasts for 3 days? So what is your take on like natural deodorants or deodorant alternatives? Can you let me know your best ones down below, especially if you are quite active? Can you let me know what best ones to use, because I'd rather not use the spray ones, but your friend here needs to. She needs to use deodorant. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful in some way. I think the main things to think about if you're going to the studio in these times is to have clean masks, have 3 masks a day, 1 that you wear to the studio, 2 that you wear during the day, you switch after lunch, and either you wear a clean one going home or you wear the one that you wore in that morning home. So lots of masks, loads of layers, because you have to have everything open, ventilation, and make sure you get outside during the day to refresh your own lungs. There'll be my little top tips if you're heading into the studio soon. But there'll be a whole vlog on us going into the studio, which I will share with you, and if you'd like some of that, then let me know and I will make sure it comes sooner rather than later. Okay? Love you all. Thank you all so much. If you like the video, please like it. If you really liked it, please share it. Thank you all so much for your comments. Keep commenting. Love you all. Goodbye. See you soon. Bye.